Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Leroy Sidambe and Mihlali have certainly cemented the fact that they are indeed in a relationship, you guys, after they were spotted at the Durban July last night wearing matching outfits and being all lovey-dovey. Well, a few weeks ago, it was reported that Mihlali and Leroy have moved in together. After that, Leroy's wife, Mary Jane Sidambe, moved out of their house after discovering that her husband is having an affair with Mihlali, you guys. So Leroy and Mihlali Ndamase were even kissing and hugging at the Durban July, you guys. However, people have noticed that Leroy is still wearing his wedding ring. Yo guys, and also what's sad and shocking is the fact that Leroy's wife, Mary Jane Sidambe, was also at the Durban July, but she wasn't with her husband. She attended the event with a friend, and people were once again coming for Mihlali, saying that what she did was wrong. So without wasting your time, let me quickly insert those videos of them at the Durban July, and please subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.